Hello everyone, welcome to Maths class. In today's Maths class, we will continue with the chapter Time, which is chapter number 17 in your Maths book. So let's start the chapter Time. Time. The spelling is T-I-M-E, time. We will start with day and night, and now we will know more about day and night.
Day and night. The entire day is divided into two parts, that is, day and night. In the daytime, we find sun in the sky, and in the night time, we find moon and stars in the sky. We will go to school during the daytime, and we will sleep during the night time.
Day and night. You know what it is called when there is sun in the sky? Day. Yes, and we have daylight. But what happens when the sun goes away? It gets dark. Do you know who comes to say hi to us then? The moon.
Parts of the day. A day has 4 parts: morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Morning. When the sun rises, it is morning. Noon. When the sun is overhead, it is called noon. The interval between noon and evening is called afternoon. Evening. When the sunlight starts fading, it is called evening. And last, night. When the sun sets, it is called night. Now, let us know more about parts of the day with Aradhya's daily routine.
Hello friends, I am Aradhya. I am 6 years old. Today I will share with you my daily routine. What I do from morning to night. Look, the sun is rising in the sky. It is morning time. I get up from bed in the morning. My day starts now. I brush my teeth and take bath. I eat my breakfast and get ready for my school. I study with other children in the school. The sun is in the sky now. It is afternoon time. I take my lunch with my friends. I come back home from school. I take rest for some time. See, the sun is setting. It is evening time. I play with my friends and then I complete my homework. Look there, the moon and the stars are in the sky. It is night time. I go to sleep at night. Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
Now we will know about clock and how to measuring time. Here you can see a clock. Clock is used to know the time. The clock tells us the time. So let us know more about a clock.
Hey, I am a clock. I am used to know the time. My flat surface is called my face. The numbers 1 to 12 appear on my face. I have 2 hands just like you. But my one hand is short and the other long. My short hand is also called an hour hand. It shows the hour. A day has 24 hours. So, the hour hand completes 2 rounds in 24 hours. My long hand is also called a minute hand. It shows the minutes. Come, now I will teach you how to read the time. See, my hour hand is on 5 and the minute hand is on 12. This means the time is 5 o'clock. We read it as 5 o'clock. We write it as 5, then colon, and then 0, 0. Let us see the time once again. Now, my hour hand is on 9 and the minute hand is on 12. We read it as 9 o'clock. We write it as 9, then colon, and then 0, 0. Hope you had fun reading the time with me.
Look at Andy's clock. It is so beautiful. Let's revise what we have learned about the clock last year. The flat surface of the clock is called its face. It has 2 hands. One hand is short and the other long. The short hand is also called the hour hand. It shows the hour. The long hand is also called as minute hand. It shows the minutes. Come, now let's revise how to read the time. Let's begin with the whole hour. Look, the hour hand is on 8 and the minute hand is on 12. This means the time is 8 o'clock. We read it as 8 o'clock. We write it as 8 colon 0 0 or as 8 o'clock. Let's do it once again. Look, the hour hand is on 2 and the minute hand is on 12. This means the time is 2 o'clock. We read it as 2 o'clock. We write it as 2 colon 0 0 or as 2 o'clock.
I hope you all have understood this chapter time nicely. So now let's move towards your copy work. Take your scale and draw 2 lines margin and write lesson 17 and name of the lesson time. After that, start writing. Note. First point is the period for which the sun rises is called day. Second point, the period for which the sun sets is called night. Third point, parts of the day: morning, afternoon, evening and night. After that, draw one line. Now write the heading clock. Draw a clock and show the minute hand and hour hand and write numbers 1 to 12. After that, I have written some points about clock that you have to write. First point, the face of the clock is called its dial. Second point, a clock has two hands. Third point, the shorter hand is called the hour hand. Fourth point, the longer hand is called the minute hand. And fifth point is, there are 12 numbers on the face of the clock. Now write first, draw the clocks and write the correct time. You have to draw clock same like this clock and you have to show the time. In this clock you can see both shorter hand and longer hand are at 12. So the timing is 12 o'clock. Second clock, this also you have to draw and here you will show the timing 3 o'clock. Shorter hand is on 3 and longer hand is on 12. Now last clock is, the timing is 8 o'clock. You will show the time, longer hand on 12 and shorter hand is on 8. So like this you will draw the clock and you will show the correct timing. I hope you all have understood. So do it nicely and draw the clocks neat and clean. Thank you.